Yeah, folks. For those new subscribers out there that joined this channel, I thank you so much. And I'm glad you're out there able to spend some time with me here. But today I'm going to put this strut on this tailgate of a 12 F-150.
2012 F-150.
Yeah, 12. Just like in 1956. You never said 19, you just said 56. So now it's the 21. So, according to the instructions, oh, here it is. This goes on the bottom of the tailgate here. I'll show you in a second. But this goes up here. So I gotta take that off. And might as well start it. Here we go. Maybe I'll start using this. Since it's... There we go. I'm gonna have to get off the tailgate. Oh, the geese are flying. Back to Canada. Aaron?
Yep.
They're flying back to Canada.
In Canada?
Yeah, Canada. Okay, over here. Come on around here. There's this little hole here. It fits in there. But in the meantime, I have to hold this. Let's see. Oh, I always pick up the wrong one. I knew it was one of these. Put that in the hole.
Want me to turn it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Folks, I'll be right back.
It means I keep doing this. Ah.
Oh.
I must have misread, folks. This right here. That I know I was supposed to leave it on there with the so-called installation tool, but I thought this stayed here when you opened and closed it. Then I'm looking at this. This is like sticking out over here. I'm like, wait a minute, it's going to hit the body of the pickup, the bed. Then I started putting this on with only one washer. And then I saw it getting crushed or getting cocky-minded or whatever, cockeyed or whatever. That's the saying? I don't know. And I figured, so I must have misread the directions real good. Sometimes I don't know my own strength.
Alright, what's next?
What's next? Put this on.
Okay.
And it's just like a regular snap on. Oh! Gotta close the
Tailgate?
Yeah.
You just gotta move all the tools again.
Which means I think I should have put the bottom one on first. Now the reason I'm doing this, folks, is I'm old. And this gate is heavy. Pick it up a little bit. A little bit more. Hold it.
Is it in there?
Right.
Huh?
Hey.
I was asking you, is it in there? Came right off.
Yeah, right there.
Should I put the bottom one on first? Does that come out?
Yeah, it comes out.
No, I'm not talking about that part. Here, watch out. I was talking about this bottom part here. Does it stretch out? Not very easy.
Long way to go.
Want a hammer? Want a hammer?
Yeah. Anything flat will be a hammer, right? On the street. Picking it up is the same.
Yeah.
Okay? But come down.
That's so much easier.
Guess what?
Huh.
I'm getting another one.
Do the other side. Ah, for old Blue over here. Yeah, it's once we finish the tailgate.
Yeah. That one is heavy. It was heaviest.
Yeah.
This one wasn't as heavy, but it was heavy. Okay, folks. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not a member. If you are, thanks for joining us. Okay. Later.